Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Discord's new system for creating polls. So polls allow you, if you're not familiar with them or you're confused, this is basically just allowing you to vote on an answer to a specific question, like what do you want to eat for breakfast, what do you want to play on game night, or what movie do you want to watch this Saturday. And to create a poll in Discord, all you have to do is click the little plus in the bottom left-hand corner of the chat window. And here you'll see things like upload file, share a clip, create a thread, or the new create a poll. And this allows you to ask a question like, what movie should we watch on Saturday? Because maybe you host like a movie watch night. And you could say like, what's out now? Like Dune 2, Kung Fu Panda 4. And we could also add like, what else is good? Stolen. Sleeping Dogs. The First Omen. Smiling Friends. This isn't really a movie, but you know, it's a video you could totally watch on the weekend. We could also do Shogun, Grey's Anatomy, and you can put like 10 different answers that people can select from in your poll before you run out of available things that people can answer with. So from here, now that I've got a bunch of different options that people can choose from, I can then say that I only want people to be able to vote on this for the next couple of days, because after that, there's no point. Like, I don't need to have this out for a week, because, you know, Saturday's coming up in, 2 days. So I'll let people vote for 3 days, and then I will also allow people to vote for multiple answers, and then I will post that. And then it'll automatically create an embedded little box inside of Discord so that you can select from what movies that you think would be fun to see. And then you can vote. And then once you vote, it will show you what the current results are. Or if you remove your votes, you can always click on the show results button in order to see the current vote before you've made up your mind as to what you want to select for your own vote. And that way, you can very easily create multiple polls by just posting them in whatever channel so you can get a feel for what people want to do or what kind of stuff that they're interested in. So currently, there's not really a permission inside of Discord's settings and under roles that you can select for the new polls. Like, you can't prevent people from being able to post them on your server for right now. Right now, if you can post a message, you can embed a poll so that people can vote on it. I'm sure they'll create a system where you can deny people the right to add polls to the chat. They did the same thing when they added threads and when they added game clips and all that stuff. So I'm sure it will be very soon in coming. But if you go through here and you search for like poll, nothing shows up. And there's not really much you can do about that. But in general, it's kind of fun to be able to create polls to ask people their opinions on things, especially if you're trying to organize a themed event like a movie night or a game night for your friends. So go ahead and go nuts, and you don't really have a limit to how many of these can be active at any one time. Let's say like, what do we want to play for game night? We could do like Baldur's Gate 3. Maybe people want to play Helldivers 2. Could also play Satisfactory. And then maybe we could also just toss in Stardew Valley, because everyone is kind of chill and cool with Stardew Valley. It's a very relaxing game. And we'll vote on this for a week, and you can also go down and limit this to people can only vote on this for the next 4 hours. And then we can select post. And this one only allows you to vote for one thing. So I can vote for that, and you can see what people want to vote for. and then it'll only last for 3 hours before you can only see the results, and it won't allow you to vote any longer. It's also worth noting that on top of the fact that there's no permissions revolving around the new polls yet, there's also no notifications when they expire. They don't give you a notification when someone votes on it. You actually have to manually check these for the results. So it's a good idea to post them somewhere where it's easy to keep track of them rather than trying to post it in a busy text chat. So that's it. That's just a brief look at the new polls system in Discord. I've been your host, Larry. And if you're interested and you found this helpful and you want to support the channel, I'm also an affiliate member with NordVPN. So you can click on the link in the video description below to get a discount on a new membership for NordVPN, which gives you, like, I think the last time I looked, it was like a 66% discount on the asking price, along with 4 free months of NordVPN. And, you know, NordVPN's kind of handy. It prevents people from snooping on what you're doing with your, you know, internet browsing habits, especially if you've got like a laptop and you're on the go, you're at work, wherever. It helps prevent people from snooping on you. It's got a built-in ad blocker to keep people from spamming you with annoying pop-up ads. And it has a whole bunch of features to help keep you safe from things like malware while you're browsing around on different websites. So fully recommended. It's a great program, and hey, it helps to support the channel if you sign up. So if you're on the fence about it, I've been using it before I signed up to become one of their affiliates, and it helps me out a whole bunch. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.